Hey guys, welcome back. On this video I'm going to be changing the steering wheel. I've got the 2.9 PDK Gen 2 987. That's the steering wheel that comes with it. I've never been happy with these push to go down and pull, no sorry, push to go up, pull to go down paddles. I've always had paddles on the back of the steering wheel, so I thought I'd best document it. The first thing I've done, I've lifted the bonnet, disconnected the battery off the negative, tied a rag around the bonnet hood so it doesn't lock on itself, just as a precaution. Next stage was to pop this airbag, and I've put a 4mm Allen key in a hole underneath the steering wheel under here, and first go it's popped it. So I'll change the camera angle so you can see what I can see. Okay, so this has popped out. There are connections, one spade connection and two airbag connections. And there you go. Right, 1 second. Okay guys, back again. This is the airbags. Especially you push up, you get a blade underneath that orange tab and it pulls up, and then you can release these two connections and the one spade connection. As for the airbag release, if I can try and show you, there's a hole under your steering wheel, just there. And if you look inside, if you push it up straight, see that? Okay, it pushes up and releases the airbag. As you hold it in straight, it's quite flat. That's a 4mm Allen key just to fit in there. Right, now best mark the centre on this thing before I release anything else. 1 second. Right, bolts out. 55mm Torx to do it. There's also a mark. I don't know if you can see the mark. Jesus. Right, now let's refocus. There's a mark on the actual housing, and I've just marked the top of the steering. The steering locks come on, so that's why it's at a funny angle. Just unclip this one, and the steering wheel should come off now. Okay guys, so this is the difference in the wheels. Okay, this one's been Alcantara covered for 911, but the connections should all be the same, he says. That's the number of the one coming off. Oh, there was a sticker in there, but, so I can't even tell you the part number. I have to find out, because he did advertise it with this part number. But this one has the paddles, which is what I wanted. So let's put some Loctite back on that steering wheel bolt and try and fit this. Thank you. Okay guys, sorry I can't video it, I just don't have enough hands. Right, so I've used a torque wrench. It said 37 foot-pound, which is about 50 Newton meters. So that's what that's tightened up as now. That connection fits and connected. There's a channel down there for this cable to go in. Just got to bear that in mind. So I'm just going to reconnect the airbag up now. It fits, the airbag is the same. That's why I went for this style of steering wheel. So I'll go from there and see what happens. There we go. Okay, right, that's back in. Now I'm going to plug the battery back on. Hopefully we'll see if it works.